We did awesome. We did good. We did awesome. And just okay, just a little. Oh, this is hot. My butter bean. Oh my gosh. It's delicious, guys. My carrot. I just take a little piece. Not much. Not much. Guys, this is my Swiss chard, my polenta or cornmeal, and this is my butter bean with my oxtail. Lovely. Father Jesus, bless the hand that prepared this food, Father God. Father Jesus, I'm asking you, God, to let all my family members have food to eat, my brothers have food to eat, my aunt, my niece and nephew have food to eat, my subscriber and viewer, everybody in the world, Father God, including